In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user-specific secrets to GitHub Codespaces. Whether you're new to GitHub or just looking to expand your skills, this guide will help you securely integrate sensitive information into your projects. Let's get started. First, make sure to navigate to github.com and sign in to your account. It's essential to have access to your repositories and settings, which requires logging in. Once you've accessed your account, you'll need to move to the next phase of the process. Find the repository to which you want to add secrets. This is critical because we'll be adding secrets specifically to this repository. Next, direct your attention to the top menu on your repository page and click on Settings. The Settings section is where you'll find various options to manage your repositories effectively. Here you'll have access to a wide range of options that allow you to tweak and secure your repository. As you navigate through settings, look for the Security section. The Security tab is crucial as it houses features aimed at keeping your project's sensitive information safe. From the Security settings, you need to locate and click on Secrets and Variables. This area is specifically designed to manage any environmental variables or credentials that you might want to keep from being exposed in your project files. Once you're inside the Secrets and Variables section, look for the Codespaces option and click on it. Codespaces is a fantastic feature for developers, offering a full-fledged development environment within GitHub. Here, in Codespaces, you'll manage secrets that apply specifically when working within this environment. Now, to add a new secret, go to the New Repository Secret button and click on it. A new input form will appear, asking for details about the secret you wish to add. In the field titled Name, type a descriptive name for your secret. Remember, this name is an identifier and should be something that helps you recognize the purpose of this secret later on. With the name set, proceed to the next field labeled Secret. Here, you'll enter the actual sensitive information or data that you need to secure within your repository, such as API keys or tokens. Be sure to double check the entry to ensure there are no typos or errors, as these could lead to issues when using the secret in Codespaces. Finally, after inputting the necessary information, click on the Add Secret button to save your new secret. Once added, GitHub will store this information securely, ensuring that it remains protected and only accessible within authorized environments. Congratulations, you've successfully added a user-specific secret to your GitHub Codespaces. This practice not only helps keep your project secure, but also makes managing sensitive data efficient and straightforward. Keep exploring potential use cases for secrets and how they can empower your development process. Thanks for joining me today and happy coding!